All right guys, Captain Paul with another DIY video. Let me show you here real quick. We're replacing the serpentine belt on the Cummings motor here on these two alternators. You pull the cover off, it was 3 bolts, a top bolt and then 2 side bolts. You can see them right there. And then right here, that's our belt. What I do is take a picture so that I don't screw up putting the belt back on. Then I need to take a 1/2-inch ratchet and I will put it right into here. That'll loosen my serpentine and then the belt will come right off. See right there, and then I just pull up on that and you can see that loosens the belt up and then I can take the belt right off. All right guys, so what I did is went and grabbed an extension and made it a little bit easier. All you have to do is pull on that and you see that picking up and then the belt will literally just pop off. I'm gonna need my other hands. I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Super easy, and you can see, like, you see all these little cracks in the belt. That means it's time to change. So it's probably, this is probably an original belt here, and it's time that we put a new belt on. You can see right here, there's no cracks in the belt right here, so it's definitely time to change these belts. It was a good call. The owner wanted it done, so I'm glad we're doing it, because there's losing something over a belt is, in these day and age, is ridiculous. Really simple here. All I did was pick up on my pulley tab right there, release the pulley, and then just slid this over here. Done. Took literally 5 minutes to change this belt. It takes longer to pull the cover than it does to actually change the belt. So super easy. You just got to have a 1/2-inch ratchet. The extension did help a lot. I recommend it. You don't need it, but I recommend having the extension just like I had here. Now we'll go start the engine, make sure everything looks okay, and we should be good to go. A lot of these videos, these DIY videos for you boat owners, because if you can't do something like this, you need to watch the videos and learn how to do it, because this right here, this would cost you hundreds of dollars to have somebody come out to the boat, change these belts, and it's something you can do by just the cost of the belt. The belts are probably about $100 a piece. So for a couple hundred versus up to maybe even $1,000 to change out both of these belts. Because you guys got to remember the drive time getting out to the boat, all the costs involved of them having liability insurance. We talked about it in one of our other videos. Everything that they have to be in a business, to do business for you, is just gotten so out of control that it costs a lot of money. So all these projects that you're able to do yourself are much better. Captain Paul, I hope at the end of this video here, make sure you hit that like, subscribe. Don't forget about our Patreon. Don't forget about our store. Anyway, you guys want to support the channel. And thank you guys. You have no idea. And I hope you guys are learning and growing. And that's what it's all about. And for you guys to watch these videos and figure this stuff out, because it's just getting exponentially more and more expensive. And the more you can do yourself, the better off you're going to be. Anyway, peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do. And thank you so much for watching. You have no idea. Bye.